Hi everyone, I'm Luke McGee.
And I'm Jamie.
We care about what the future looks like, and so what can we do individually? So that led us to solar in general.
One thing that makes Sustainergy different is the combination of energy efficiency and solar, something that we like to call smart solar. What this is starting with a free energy assessment so we can walk through the home in the basement, crawl spaces, main levels, and attic spaces. Once we come up with these solutions, we then design a solar array for the rooftop, and combining the energy efficiency piece with the solar piece allows you to have a smaller, more effective, and more affordable solar system that lets you live in your house more comfortably and more affordably.
As you can see, we've got an electric vehicle, and you start to put things together, solar just pays for itself. So there's a financial component as well. And then the long-term value of your house, I've seen anywhere between 4 to 5% of a home value increase by installing solar as well. So you got kind of the carbon footprint, you've got the financial dollars and cents of today, and then the long-term value of the house. So that's how we ended up with solar.
Hello, my name is Fleck Herrera. I'm a director of Sustainergy Cooperative. Sustainergy has been a worker-owned business. We are local, been around for 11 years, based in Cincinnati. And we are proud of being a worker-owned business, which means a social enterprise in which the workers own and control the business. The profits are shared with the workers, and people tend to produce more and be happier when they work in a business actually they own.
Schedule your free assessment today by giving us a call at 513-848-3529.